Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the OpenAL32.dll is missing error that appears when starting a game on Windows. First, close the game and any game launchers that are running. The best and recommended fix is to install OpenAL again. Open your web browser and search for the OpenAL Windows installer. Open the official OpenAL website from the results. Make sure you are downloading it from a trusted source. Download the installer file, and once the download is complete, open it. Follow the on-screen steps and finish the installation. When it is done, restart your computer to make sure all changes are applied. After restarting, try opening the game again. In most cases, the error will now be fixed. If the error still appears, the next step is to reinstall the game that is causing the problem. Sometimes the DLL file is included with the game files. Uninstall the game completely from your system, then restart your computer. After that, turn off your antivirus and install the game again. If it works after installation is complete, add an exclusion for your game folder in the antivirus settings and then turn on the real-time protection. That is how you can fix the OpenAL32.dll missing error on Windows. Thanks for watching.